Gurubhyo Namaha. Jai Srimanarayana. Many great saints come to this world to prove the ultimate goal of any soul is to serve the Lord. It is very auspicious day because Narayana himself came to this world as Nara and Narayana. कर्कटे हस्ते नक्षत्रे बदरी निलयोद्भवम् अष्टाक्षर प्रदाताराम नारायणम अहम भजे. This is his Taniyan. Let us know about the be our ultimate goal. It is to reach the blissful eternal world, which means to reach the place where there is no fear of birth and death, where there are no worries, no tensions, no struggle and no sufferings except ecstasy of joy. Lord himself, with a lot of concern towards us, was born as Nara and Narayana at Badrinath by making Dharma Prajapati and Murti as their parents. Thus, he was born as twins and played the roles of Acharya and disciple. Here, Narayana became Acharya and Nara became disciple, and Narayana whispered Narayana mantra, that is Ashtakshari mantra, into the ears of Nara. Though they were born in Kruta Yuga, still they are there in Badrinath in the form of mountains, still meditating. As it was difficult to reach the place Badri, Ramanujacharya was kind enough and came to this world to give that valuable mantra to those who have lot of arti, which means desire to know the valuable mantra, and passed it on to many who could not reach Badri. Later, as it is very difficult to reach and stay there in Badri, our Pedajiyar Swami, during those days when there were no means of transport, walked all the way and constructed ashramam in that place. Is it not because of his strong intention Lord fulfilled his wish? He too struggled to bring that Ashtakshari mantra to us who have strong desire to know. Later, our Puja Acharya Chanjir Swami is very kind enough to transmit that Moola mantra called Ashtakshari to those who have strong intention to know about it. Thus, he too made himself as the bridge between the Lord and his disciples who want to achieve that permanent blissful world of the Lord. Every aspect of life, apart from salvation, is included in Ashtakshari mantra. On this auspicious day of Badrinarayana Tirunakshatra, I wish you all Badrinarayana Divya Tiruvadagale Saranam. Acharya Divya Tiruvadagale Saranam. Thank you. Jai Srimanarayana.